The long wait for who would get the party ticket for the different parliamentary seats came to an end as the National Unity Platform unveiled its tentative list for the MP Flagbearer seats on the 27th September 2025. However, the unveiling of these lists came with shock and disappointment for some, joy for others, and to others, it is no surprise at all, with a mix of incumbents and new faces gaining the party ticket. Among the people who retained the ticket, Nalukola Elias Luimbazi for Kawempe North, Joel Senyonyi for Nakar West Division, woman MP Shamim Malende competing against KCCA Speaker Zahara Luyirika, who however is to replace Alan Sewanyana in Machinde West. Fred Nyanzi, the former NUP National Mobilizer, beat Roy Semboga, carrying the Kawempe South flag. In Wakiso, former NBS Amasengeje anchor Zambali Bulasio Mukasa will contest for the Nasana municipality, while George Musisi, the party lawyer, will challenge FDC's Ibrahim Semoji Uganda in Chira municipality. Other strongholds in the central region include Javira Sevina Luvoa, stepping into the shoes of Matthias Mpuga in Nyendo Mukungwe. On the other hand, we also saw some notable figures who were denied the party cards, including Busiro East MP Medad Segona, who was replaced by Matthias Walukaga, a folk musician turned politician. Alan Sewanyana of Machinde West, replaced by KCCA Speaker Zahara Luyirika. Mitiana woman MP Joyce Bagala, replaced by Proscovia. Ruvaga South MP Aloysius Mukasa, replaced by Nasolo Eugenia, and Derek Nyoko of Machinde East, replaced by Ali Nganda Mudianyama, among others. According to the party, a lack of loyalty and underperformance was some of the reasons that failed the aspirants from getting the flag bearer cards. According to Honorable Medad Segona, one of the notable candidates made it clear that he was not surprised by the party's decision, stating that he was not bitter about the results. However, one wonders what could have caused the failure to retain the card. Over time, Medad Segona has consistently defended and supported Matthias Mpuga since Mpuga's public fallout to the National Unity Platform leadership over a 500 million Uganda shillings service award in March 2024. Could it be that Segona's loyalty to Mpuga and his criticism of the NUP leadership have been the key reason for this loss of the NUP party ticket for the 2026 election? One wonders. Like Medad Segona, Joyce Bagala, the Mitiana woman member of parliament, has been a key ally and vocal supporter of Matthias Mpuga. Her stance could have possibly resulted in her being dropped by the National Unity Platform as its flag bearer for the 2026 election, prompting speculation about her next political move. Matthias Walukaga, a popular folk musician who previously served as the mayor of Chengira Town Council, has been selected as the National Unity Platform flag bearer for the Busiro East parliamentary seat for the 2026 election. His nomination coming at the expense of the incumbent MP Medad Segona, known for his vocal support of NUP party president Robert Chagulanyi, has transitioned from musical activism to electoral politics, and his selection is seen as a reward for his unwavering party loyalty, despite some concerns about his limited parliamentary experience compared to Segona. While his public popularity and local government experience are assets, he will need to navigate potential backlash from Segona's supporters and prove his legislative capabilities in the upcoming election. The political landscape is now shaped by three primary scenarios for the unendorsed aspirants. Will they honor their party loyalty and rally behind their new flag bearers, defy the party and mount independent campaigns, or shift their allegiance entirely by defecting to other political organizations? The question remains.
In a new Uganda where I will be president,